Alright folks, how's it going? It's Des Catty's very quick video here. I've got my teepee in front of me. At the moment my shed's in carnage. Been out camping this weekend. Didn't do any videoing because I didn't want to. But in this particular video what I want to do is just show I've had an issue with my teepee. I've had this for well over 15 years now, and on the last couple of trips out I noticed that I was having some issues with the zip. The teeth weren't closing properly. And so on and so forth. So what I want to do is, after a little bit of careful sort of looking on bits on the internet, if you haven't already done so and it's something you want to use, or if you've got some ideas, please share them with me, share them with our little, share them with the subscribers and viewers to the channel. And what I want to do is just show you what I did, as a bit of homework to repair the zip. So stay tuned. Yeah, so as I say, I've had this teepee for well over 15 years now, proper faded, but it's never failed me until just lately on a couple of trips, as I say, with the zip. Now I noticed that when I was zipping it up, the teeth weren't catching together. As I was zipping it up, they were either leaving gaps and so on and so forth, where they weren't closing on each other. So as I say, what I did was I went online. My first port of call, what I did before was I literally got some Vaseline, petroleum jelly, anything like that. Olive oil, I found out it can be used as well. Obviously you want something that's not going to sort of cause any damage to the material of your tent or whatever it is, your shelter you're using. And then what I've done was I literally, with my index finger, I just literally blobbed a load of Vaseline, rubbed it up the teeth, took it out this weekend, and I noticed it was still doing the same. So what I did, I come home, had a quick look on the internet, done a little bit of homework, went on Tentipi's website. I've actually in the meantime sent them an email to see if they could obviously do a zip repair, because I don't want to lose this teepee. I love it. It holds quite a lot of memory to me. So anyway, what I did in the meantime is I dug the Vaseline out again, and from watching just one sort of zip video on hacks of zips, what they used was a cotton bud as opposed to using their finger. What difference that makes I don't know, but what I did was I didn't just, when I was actually applying the Vaseline or the petroleum jelly, I was literally just running it along the teeth, okay, and then with the zipper just running the zipper up and down until obviously the Vaseline sort of either caught the inside of the zipper and obviously the zip teeth themselves. But now what I've done was I actually I used the cotton bud with a dab of Vaseline on there. Not only did I put it on the outside of the teeth, I actually put it on the actual runner as well, sort of like the material that's attached to the that's attached to the zip as well. Tried that, whether it made a difference, it certainly did, because it actually did do that. All right. Now then, when I was actually doing the zip up again, I noticed that certain places the zip wasn't closing. There's no damage to the teeth whatsoever. You've got to bear in mind I've had this for a long time, so there's no damage to the zip teeth at all itself. So then what I did was I took my Leatherman, all right, and I literally pinched with the tip of the pliers. I literally just sort of placed the pliers over the whole part of the zipper on the outside, and what I've done was I squeezed it ever so slightly on one side, squeezed it on the other, and I thought, try that. And lo and behold, for me personally, it appears to have worked. Now it's probably going to save me 30 quid, because I went online, I was looking at some repair companies. One particular company, not going to name them, because they were a straightforward zip change to a tent, was around £30. And I think hopefully I might have saved myself £30, and I can spend that on something else for the outdoors. So there it is. Is it a hack? It's just more of a repair. And as you can see there, it's obviously, the teeth are all locked over now on the zip, and I've got no issues. So happy bunny. I can now hang this up and let it dry out a bit better, because old Blighty's been hit with a bit more rain again. I'll hang that up to dry as part of my admin routine, and it looks like I've done the repair to my tent teepee on the zip and saved myself 30 quid as well. So there it is, folks. All right, so thanks for watching. As I say, if you have got any tips and that you want to share with me and share with people that watch the channel, please do so, because obviously I'm always always out to learn, always out learning and stuff like that. Every day's a learning day, as they say, and that's certainly another one that's going to go into my little arsenal of into that little data bank of knowledge there. All right, so very simple hack, repair, whatever you want to call it, to a particular zip on your shelter of choice. All right, in my case being the Tentipi. So thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Don't forget my Etsy store's there. Again, don't do Patreon. Literally the Etsy store is there, hopefully that you will buy a practical product that you can use yourself on your outdoor adventures, and in that way you are supporting me, supporting the channel, to hopefully bring you the same sort of videos really. All right, so take care, folks, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next video.